Good morning. Thou shalt have a fishy on a little dishy. Thou shalt have a fishy when the port comes in. Nice views this morning. These are the cliffs of Royup. Very beautiful, but also very dangerous. We do get landslips here every now and then, so I'm not going to get too close to the edge. I'll stay on terra firma for my jog. But yeah, not bad sights you get in the morning. Sunrise trying to poke through. Lovely sea air. Good stuff. Ooh, and here is said beach. This nice morning. There we are. Nice views. Well worth it. Get up and run, guys, if you can. Great views out here.